Hello, welcome to Motherly Kitchen. Today I'm going to cook and show you how to make an easy egg breakfast recipe. All you want is just 5 eggs, 1 tomato, 1 big onion, and 3 tomatoes, salt to taste, and a little pepper. Hope you will like my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's get started. So just heat the pan. So the pan has heated. Now just add some olive oil. I'm going to add some olive oil. You can add any oil of your choice. And once the oil is heated, now we will add the potatoes, nicely cut potatoes. The small potatoes will be added into the pan like this. Now salute until it has been cooked well. Actually, I used to spend a lot of time during morning section for making the breakfast. So once I had my baby, it was very hard to spend a lot of time in kitchen in the morning section. So likewise, I just find one of my friend who is on a diet. She make her breakfast very quickly. So just she just give me this recipe, and I find it very awesome. It will go with the burger if we don't have a patty, or it can be gone with paratha, bread, or anything. We can just have this recipe. So you can see that the onions has finely cooked, and to this onion, now we will add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. I have added 3 tomatoes. If you want, you can add more, because if you want, you can follow the same step. Otherwise, if you wanted to add any ingredients more, you can do that, because it's just onion, potato, and the tomatoes. So it's your wish. Because personally, I like potatoes more, and tomatoes I don't prefer so much. So that's the reason why I have just added 3 potatoes. So you can decide how your breakfast want to be. Now you can see that the potatoes has been cooked well. Now it's time for us to add the eggs. Yeah, so we'll add the eggs now. One, slowly. You have to open the eggs like this. My one egg got break now, so you have to very carefully do it. Even if so, you don't have any masala or curry powders, anything at home, with just pepper and salt, you can make this easy breakfast. Now we add some salt to the eggs. Only just salt and pepper. And if you wanted to add some masala, or if you want to add some Italian herbs, it would be nice. But for me, I'm just adding only just some salt and pepper, because for the morning breakfast, I don't like much spicy. It's better to be like a normal one like this. It's your choice. Now we also add some peppers to it, pepper powder. And about this pepper powder, this has been grown in our farms. I have like sun dried it, and I have got it from my home country, which will be so flavorful. It's not like the normal ones we buy from the hypermarket. There is no mixtures. It's pure peppers only. So you can see my pepper video in the channel. Now close the lid. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now as a top up, I'm adding some mozzarella cheese. This is purely optional. If you don't have cheese at home, no worries, no need to add it, because it's already delicious with just the eggs and the tomato. So you don't need to add this, but I'm just adding a little bit since I had it in my pantry. As a topping, I'm adding to it, and I'm adding some coriander leaves. If you want, you can add parsley instead, or you can add any toppings that you like to add. And then just close the lid for 2 minutes. The fine easy breakfast is ready then. Now the Cheese has been melted enough, so it's time to off the flame and then we will cut into the pizza cut. Oh, it smells so nice now. Like so delicious egg recipe. Very tasty. Oh, yeah. Perfect cut. Now we move on to the serving plate. Try this recipe out and like my channel and comment and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.